that okay, Dayo said when they pay your children's school fees, it no be talk. Well, that's not me. He never paid. When they pay your children's birthday party bills, he never paid my children's birthday party bills, but he actually came to spray my daughter on her birthday and dash her money. When they pay your house rent, he has never paid my house rent before. When they sponsor your flight ticket, he's never bought a ticket for me before. When they lodge you and your children for hotel for the weekend, that's not me. So Dayo Musa is not referring to me. So you guys should not ignite a fight until she comes out to say it is me. Dayo Musa is my friend. In fact, when I go off this live, I will call her and ask her, Jota Lombawi. She's definitely not referring to me. Because all these things that she has listed here is not me. And Lege did not get his facts right. 3 million Keresin Koti MC Oluomoti Shifumi. He's my friend. But I do not support his party. If you people feel that because somebody has done something good for me before, then I should support his party, then you people are not ready for change in Nigeria. That's called Bele infrastructure. Do you understand? That's voting on sentiment. Tinubu is a political godfather to so many people. Am I making sense? And I respect him as a political godfather to so many people. Yes, he did some good in our industry to a lot of my colleagues, which is very okay. I remember the time when Moji Olaya died, and I was called upon to come and, solicit for him to support in Moji Olaya being flown back to Nigeria. Do you understand? I did go. I went with them to solicit on behalf of my late colleague, may her soul rest in peace. And he did his part. So because of that, I need to support his party. No. That is one thing he has done for one person or few people among the country. I do not believe. I believe that he is an excellent, a brilliant person. But I believe that he is old and his health would not allow him see to the problems of Nigeria. I believe Nigerian problem is big. And I believe that that man needs to be resting right now, sitting in at, and giving orders to those that he will choose to go and lead us. I see him as a kingmaker, a godfather, but I do not see him as my president. Whether he wins or he does not win, I do not support the idea. Just like I did not support Buhari. I did not support him. I have an entitlement to my opinion. I think I even love Ashiwaju more than you, sir. Because what I'm saying is I don't want him to go and stress himself. Let him go and rest. Let him enjoy the work of his hands, the labor that he has labored for. I don't want him to go there and be stressed. I have his best interest at heart. He has done me no wrong. His son is my friend. I do not like the way you people are stressing the man. I do not like the way this man is being mocked on social media. That's my choice. Sometimes our parents, they want to do some things in their old age. We say no, because when they become old, they automatically become our children. When our parents become old, they automatically become our children. And so sometimes we do the talking. And sometimes we do the decision making on their behalf. Because that's the way it should be. And that is what I am saying. I'm not saying I do not love him or I do not believe in him or everything that he has done for Lagos. Even though he's not the one that did everything, right? Because if you people are claiming he's the one that did everything, then that means that everything that was done wrong, we should also blame him for it. Should I blame him for Buhari? Because he put Buhari there. So should I come and blame him for giving us Buhari? Because if you people are saying he should take all the credit for all the other governors that he put in Lagos that did right, so should I now blame him for Buhari that we feel that did not do right? I don't understand. I love him.